Digger. Hey, it's all live, money. Holla back, low. Digger, Digger, come with it. Corrupt my love, bring I'm from Marcy, son. Hey, the Digger, on to the city. Hey, corrupt my love, bring I'm from Marcy, son. Hey, the Digger, on to the night. Corrupt my love, bring I'm from Marcy, son. Hey, the Digger, on to the city. Hey, corrupt my love, bring I'm from Marcy, son. Hey, the Digger, it's all live, money. It's all there, buddy. 103. And Rockefeller, y'all. Doo-doo's head. Hey, fat boy. Woo, I want you. Me too. I want you fat boys. Hey, D-Dub, get the drink on. D-Dub, hold it, let it hurt. Cook, 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 cook. Come on. 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 Y'all ain't done. Digger. Hold it, Doug. You belong to the city. Hey, you belong to the night. Yeah. Hey, you belong to the city. Yo. Oh, shit. Yo. Listen to the sound that I play. Southside, Southside. Hey, hey. Listen to the sound that I play. Hey, Parker. Hey, Hill Road. Doug. Listen to the sound that I play. Hey, Dish Pipe. Hey, heard it swear you in there. Hey, Rob. Up to myself. Here you become. Here you become. Here you become. Come back 10 minutes early, y'all. With what? You motherfucker! Eastern, Eastern, yeah. Eastern, Eastern, yeah.
43rd.
They got a party going on out there. Y'all look so good. Y'all look so good out there.
Atlantic Guards.
Hey, 32.
Atlantic Guards.
Keep the party, get the sound. Hold up. Hold there. Hell there. Red there. Ring there. Ring there. Go there. Deuce there. Go there. You got to roll it in the blood, yo. What is it? That's your shit, hey. Let's just jump out there and get your shit split. Hey, I'm in the car, so what? You got to roll it in the blood, yo. What you, shit high. Yes, that's over. Hero. What's up, Los? Hero. Hey, you got to roll it in the blood, yo. What is it? That's your shit, hey. Yeah. Let's just jump out there and get your shit split. Rock your top. Hey, put him on display. 32.
Let's go, Juggle, say high school, walk on the groove, back row Sonic, baby puppy, sweet something, body bird groove. Dolly roll, you said that groove, rock roll groove, and then the road.
The rockin', keep the body, got it, stop.
What the fuck y'all gonna do, man? Man, what y'all gonna do, Joe?
Get the Bama motherfuckers the fuck out.
Man, if y'all don't wanna party, man. If y'all don't want to party with Leon Jackson, man, let me know.
If y'all don't want to party with Leon Jackson,
here we are, ladies and gentlemen, live at the ICeBoX, where there seems to be a party going on.
They don't want to party with who?
This is Leon Jackson. We're gonna return live.
Hey, some water, hey, stop me some that Slurpee. Hey, give me that Slurpee one time.
There seems to be a fight going on.
Hey.
No, there's just party.
Fuck you, Frank White.
It's
betting on grade.
Group is playing, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm betting on grade.
Yeah, this is Leon.
What's his name? Leroy to the front door.
Leon Jackson is undercover, ladies.
Leroy Lewis to the front door, man.
This is Leon Jackson.
Hey, hold up. If you gotta be home by 3 o'clock, man, just hit the door, man. We ain't got time for all these messages. If you gotta be home by 3 o'clock, no later than 3:30, just hit the door, dog. It's wide open. No bullshit. Everybody in here, we can stay open till whenever. Am I right? We can stay out till whenever.
Hey, baby.
If you got to be home by 3:30, dog, just get your flies by Miss Pratt, and I'll see you next Saturday.
Hey,
if
baby.
you got to be home by 3:30, because it's 3:30 right now. Know what I'm saying, huh? Where Big Daddy at?
I'm right here, baby.
Warm me up, Mo.
This is Leon Jackson. I'm right here, baby.
Warm me up, y'all.
Yo, listen to the jams and I
Put the motherfucking guns up.
Hey, yo, Capital Heights, they raise the word.
Listen to the jams that I play.
Hey, 844, 843rd, hey.
Listen to the jams that I play.
Hey, Austin Hill, hey, Evans
jazz that I play.
Man, turn the motherfucking lights out, man.
You got to listen to the jazz that I play.
Man, it's hot as shit in here. Turn the lights out, man.
Boy, girl.
Listen to the jazz that I play.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
What?
Nobody play nothing. What, Dirk?
Something not happening. We got to go with the lights on. I don't want broadcasting over the mic, but we gotta go.
Okay.
It don't matter. We still gonna party. Y'all still with me? We still gonna party? Oh, let me see if the girls gonna party.
Blaze,
Come on, Mo.
911.
I ain't gone nowhere. I want to see if I can push the girls' buttons. The ladies. Turn it up, Bo. Let me see if the ladies like that part. Let me see if they like that part right there. Let me see if the ladies with me.
Happy birthday, Junior.
Let me see if the ladies with me, y'all. Kyrie, baseline. I'm feeling the bomb.
Yeah. I feel positive.
Is it ready yet?
You get hot and go through. I feel positive.
Is it ready over there, VIP? We need some water up here, y'all. Let's see how this shit for real. Hey, Mo, now go ahead and dip, Mo. Now go ahead and just dip. I wish you would stop. Now go ahead and just do it.
Say what?
Now go ahead and dip. Like you, Now go ahead and dip, Mo. Now look here. I want to see a party going on up here. I want to see a party going on. Y'all down with a party? I'm talking about getting with the ladies one time, y'all. Y'all get with the ladies? Ooh. How you like it, baby?
Hey, Kimberly God.
How you like it, baby? From the front, from the back, get that ass slide. I bet your man can't work it like that. Hey, work. What a goddamn minute! 808, close your eyes. Close your eyes. 808.
Yeah. Hey, don't stop, girl. Got to give it here. Hey, that pussy's real good. You got to give it here. Yeah. Don't stop, baby. No, give it here.
We do
you. I got you. Don't do that. You've been coming too long, man. Now why you doing that? I got you. Now why you doing that? See niggas like that, you know what I'm saying?
Is that Nolly Road?
They been coming too long to be doing that shit. I got you,
Give y'all
man.
the whole hands.
We got you, man. You ain't got
Put your
curve like
drawers
that,
up,
dog.
okay?
We together. You ain't got curve like that. I got you. Don't do that. You ain't got curve like that, man.
We got you,
It's all
dog.
good. It's all good.
We give you the uh-oh. We give you all that shit. We give you all that shit.
It's all good. It's all good.
I don't want none of that. I want Bacardi. Send some Bacardi up here. Don't want no water.
Motherfucking Hennessy.
Don't want no water. Can send us some Mo or some Bacardi or some Hennessy or some Red Dog or some Mad Dog.
Fake ass bras. It's good, Rose. It's
Don't
good.
send us no water.
And get the fake motherfuckers off the stage.
Kyrie wants some
Yeah. Up this
Mad Dog.
motherfucker faking. And here we go.
Kyrie wants some Mad Dog.
Y'all ready? Up this motherfucker
Heavy.
faking. All the fellas, grab a girl. You can come
Maestro.
Yeah.
Fuck you, Maestro.
NoRThEaST
Come in here.
Leon Jackson coming now. Yeah. Leon Jackson coming now. NoRThEaST coming now.
Jerk it.
Y'all niggas ain't got no rhythm.
Jerk it.
NoRThEaST coming now. NoRThEaST coming now.
Where your head at? Say what? Maestro. Cut it off, Los. Okay.
We gonna stomp. You alright?
Hey, Rock. He hitting that thing too bad.
Hey, give me that I got the niggas from 751 pumping that water. I got the niggas from Holly Park too. Load up. Nally roll up. fingers. And that's all the does. Oh, that's all the fingers. You got it, dog. You got it, Jacob. Hold it. Get on, go. Get on, go. Right there, Doug. Get on, go. Get on, go. Hey, Maestro, you know what to do.
Hey, Flip, hey.
One more time, Doug. Yo, Eddie, here we go. It'll come a beat. Hands up, hey, get your hands up. Hands up, hey, get your hands up. Hands up, hey, get your hands up. Hands up, hands up. Hands up, hey, get your hands up. Hands up, hey, get your hands up. Hands up, hey, get your hands up. All right. Hold it for Lloyd.
Man, this microphone is shocking the shit out of my dumb ass.
Hey, Ron, don't do nothing. Stop standing up. Don't do nothing.
Okay. All right.
His seat stinks right now. He let the air out. His seat stinks. I can't breathe.
Hey, stop. I got what? Hey, he out of there? Okay.
He can't breathe because he got a clip in his
Hey, that's
mouth.
it. That's all, man. Drummer. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Next Saturday, y'all. We out. Next Saturday. Don't forget about that motherfucking cookout. Shots Barbershop and Just Balloons. They'll Cameron Run tomorrow, y'all. From 12 to close. Get at them. Tomorrow, Cameron Run. Come on down. Show that love. Don't forget about my man Big Daddy. Got that motherfucking shop set up. T-shirts, tape, socks, hats, all that shit. Right across from East over the gas station. Go on, get at 'em.